Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use Namedrop on iPhone instantly share contact info. First of all, you need to open up the settings application of your iPhone. Then, what you need to do is scroll down in settings and you will get to see a general option. So tap on the general option from here. Now, go into general and choose the airdrop option from here. You can easily swap numbers with Namedrop, share photos, and more by holding the top of your iPhone close to another iPhone. So make sure you turn on the bringing devices together option. And after that, scroll down the control panel from the top right corner. Then, click on your network block and tap to turn on the airdrop from here. You can easily and instantly share contact info and everything else. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.